तो हेलो दोस्तों, कैसे हैं आप लोग। मैं हूं एबी और आप देख रहे हैं गैजेट गोटी। आज भी आप अपने आईफोन को एज अ सिंगल सिम यूज़ करना आपको बताने वाला हूं कि आप अपने आईफोन में कैसे डुअल सिम को यूज़ कर सकते हो और कैसे आप अपने फिजिकल सिम को जो है ई सिम में कन्वर्ट कर सकते हो। ये वीडियो आज इसी के ऊपर में है, तो अगर आपको इससे फायदा तो लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब जरूर करना। तो चलिए देखते हैं।
Convert your physical SIM to eSIM for iOS device in 5 easy steps. Please note, it is mandatory to complete all 5 steps to activate eSIM on your iOS device. Please don't skip or avoid any step. To start the eSIM process, please ensure you have an eSIM compatible device. To check whether your device is compatible with Jio eSIM, go to www.jio.com. Click on Esim Activation. Select your device make and model. Now that you know your device is compatible with Jio eSIM, let's move on to the next step. Let's check if your email ID is registered with Jio. Open My Jio app. Click on Burger menu. Tap on Profile and Settings. Tap on Profile. Check if your correct email ID is updated. If your email ID is not updated, tap on Change. Enter the email ID which you wish to register against your Jio number. An OTP will be sent on the requested email ID for validation. Enter the OTP and click Submit. Your email ID will be updated. Let's proceed to the next step. To initiate the first step, you need to have the EID number and IMEI number of the device on which you wish to activate your Jio eSIM. Please write down the EID number and IMEI number as they are lengthy and need to be sent via SMS. Let's see how to find the EID number and IMEI number of your iOS device. Go to Settings. Tap on General. Tap on About. Scroll down and you will see the 32-digit EID and 15-digit IMEI number. You will also find another 15-digit IMEI2 number. Don't worry, you will not need to use the same here. Now that you have the EID and IMEI number, let's begin with the eSIM activation. Please note, you have to complete all the steps to activate the eSIM on your device. Do not skip any step. And ensure that your iOS device is connected to the internet using Wi-Fi or mobile hotspot during this process. Step 1. Open Messages and compose a new SMS. Type Get eSIM space 32-digit EID space 15-digit IMEI and send to 199 from the Jio number you wish to upgrade to eSIM. If you get revert SMS asking to update your email ID, please go ahead and update your email ID in your account as shown in the beginning, mentioning that Jio data plan is ready to be installed. Please don't clear or delete or click on this information at this time. You will need to use this only after completing the next few steps and not before that. In case you don't get this notification or have missed the same, don't worry, 2 SMS from us on your Jio number with your eSIM activation details and 19-digit virtual eSIM number. If you get revert SMS or email asking to send correct EID and IMEI number, please re-verify the EID and IMEI sent by you and resend the SMS as mentioned in Step 1. Step 2. Copy the 19-digit eSIM number from the SMS sent on your Jio number. Open Messages and compose a new SMS. Type SIM C@G. Give single space. Paste or enter 19-digit eSIM number and send to 199. On sending the correct eSIM SMS, you will receive a confirmation SMS and email. If you get a SMS and email asking to send correct eSIM number, please verify eSIM number and resend the SMS to 199. Post sending 19-digit eSIM number, You will have to wait for 2 hours while we process your request. After 2 hours, you will receive a SMS and email from us requesting your consent to process your eSIM request. Step 3. Open messages and compose a new SMS. Type 1 and send to 183. On sending the consent SMS, a confirmation SMS and email will be sent to you. Note: if you wish to cancel your eSIM request for any reason, type 2 and send to 183. Step 4. Within 10 minutes of sending consent SMS, you will receive an IVR call on your Jio number asking you to share your consent for eSIM request. Press 1 to process your eSIM request. After sharing consent on the IVR, a confirmation SMS and email will be sent to you. In case you have missed the IVR call or disconnected the same before you could share the consent, don't worry, you will receive another call within 3 hours. In case you don't get the first IVR call within 10 minutes of sending the consent SMS, we suggest you to check your missed call list, as you may have not answered the call thinking it is a spam call, or check if you have enabled spam blocking via your phone's dialer or any third-party apps. As soon as you receive this SMS, your physical SIM will stop working and your phone will show no network. You are now just one step away from activating your new eSIM. Please ensure that your iOS device is connected to the internet using Wi-Fi or mobile hotspot during this process. To complete the activation process, you need to install a data plan on your iOS device. Step 5. Option 1. On your iOS device, tap on the notification Jio Data Plan ready to be installed. Click on Install Data Plan. Tap on Continue. Please wait while the selected data plan addition is in progress. It will take few seconds. Your Jio eSIM will get successfully activated and will reflect under mobile data. You can start using voice and data services on your iOS device now. Option 2. If you have not received the notification for profile configuration or cleared it, don't worry. You can do it from Settings option of your device. Open Settings. Select Mobile Data. Tap on Add Data Plan. Select Jio. Select Add Data Plan to confirm the new data plan addition. Tap on Continue. Please wait while the selected data plan addition is in progress. It will take few seconds. Your Jio eSIM will get successfully activated and will reflect under mobile data. You can start using voice and data services on your iOS device now.